In this video, I'm going to try water painting for the first time. I've been practicing in the past few weeks, so I think it's time to make a video about it. First, let's warm up with a practice landscape painting. Okay, sketching is done, but before we get into the fun part, let's get some water for the watercolor. Also, don't forget to tape up the paper and the area that you'll be working with because watercolor do tend to bend the paper. Now, let's work on the mountain. The mountain is done. Now, let's add some epic stars to the sky. Okay, practice landscape is done and I hope you enjoy how it turned out. Now, let's get into a real epic drawing that I've been planning for. Drawing Project Star as Spider-Man.
Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. That's right. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. That's right. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It was really fun working with watercolor. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.